Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. Today promises to be an interesting day, I must say. Some few hours ago, in fact, yesterday, when the PEPT, that's Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, began, before it was adjourned till today, the lawyers of first, second, third, fourth respondent, I'm talking about INEC, Kashim Shettima, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and APC, actually came all out against against Labour Party and PeterObi, insisting that they are busy dilly-dallying, that they had filed about 100 witnesses, that they're yet to even get up to 5. They're busy, blaming them. They were at their witnesses. A lot of argument ensued, but today it looks like PeterObi came fully prepared. Hey, it's going to be an interesting one. Stay tuned as we give you more drama as it unfolds. But as we speak, PeterObi didn't come yesterday simply because I don't know why, but he was not in court yesterday. But as we speak, PeterObi is very much in court, and the Labour Party legal team have also come with many things. They came with their witnesses, they came with televisions, they came with, in fact, today is drama filled. But let's quickly hit the ground running. Before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the legal team of PeterObi are here. They came with 2 large HD TV screens and evidence boxes that are everywhere. And the justices, the council representation is ongoing, and let the legal fireworks begin. And then the famous bone crusher, Vincent Otapopo is actually, the meaning is bone crusher. Is here. But person leading the Labour Party council team is actually Dr. Levi Ozoko. Still remains a senior advocate of Nigeria. Don't forget that Dr. Onyechi Ikwezu, the one who handled the case of Adeleke, Osun State, where he claimed back his mandate in Supreme Court, is also the one that will be handling the proceedings today, and he's bringing the first witness to stand. So far, the first witness has been called upon, and his name is Professor Eric Onwadiegu Ofedu. There's been a lot of drama yesterday, but now they've hit the ground running, and the court asked him a series of questions, of which we're going to give you in quick succession. Court asked him, "What is your name?" He gave his name. That my name remains. My name is Professor Eric Onwadiegu Ofedu. The witness asked, they now asked him, "Please, where do you live?" He said, "I live in Awka, Anambra State." They asked again, "What is your occupation?" He said, "I'm a professor of mathematics at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka." The first respondent council, which is INEC, is objecting. The drama just began. He's objecting vehemently on the grounds that they were just being served the witness statement in court, and the witness is a star witness, and thus they are handicapped with how to proceed with the witness. He's now calling it an ambush on the part of Labour Party's counsel, suggesting that the witness be stepped down and give them time to go through all the documents. Just a few hours ago, INEC and APC lawyers are actually accusing PeterObi's lawyer of not bringing enough witness. Now they are brought, they're insisting he should be stepped down. Now hear what the second, the third, and the fourth respondents got to say on this as well. Now, the second and the third respondent are also objecting on the grounds of being served this morning too, and are aligning themselves to the observation and handicap of the first respondents council. The fourth respondent has also spoken, and he said the first respondent asking for 48 hours to go through the documents since he's a star witness. 48 hours is rather too high if you ask me, but they seem to, the argument keeps moving back and forth on this matter, and eventually they arrived on this. They said, okay, eventually this is how they will play it. Now, the second and the third respondent, I said, okay, we can now take the witness now and do cross-examination later to save time. The fourth witness said, okay, also, I wish to say that we were served with the witness deposition a few minutes before the court started. I align myself with the submission of Chief Wole Olanikpekun. He can adopt his disposition and get cross-examination later. Labour Party now said, I was conferring with my learned friend A.B. Mahmood, so I was trying to confer with him whether the examination in chief now, whilst the cross-examination be deferred to enable us have a look at the witness disposition. The first respondent, I said, yes, I was trying to respond to a vague statement of his as he mentioned later. If by later it means tomorrow, then yes. Court now said, it is for the court to determine what later will be, not any of you. First respondent, I said, as the court pleases. Is it at your discretion, my lords? Labour Party now said, unfortunately, we filed yesterday, but the time it got served on the respondent is today. We believe in fair hearing, swinging both ways, and leave to the discretion of the court whether to come back in 2 hours or tomorrow morning. That has been the drama that's been playing now, but eventually that was settled. Let's move on very quickly. So finally, in all of this drama, courts have decided that they can go ahead and examine in chief today, then he'll be cross-examined tomorrow. Now, examination in chief continued and saying, son, that's son now asking, what's your occupation? Don't forget, that's Labour Party's son talking. The witness said, Professor of Mathematics, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Labour Party lawyer asked, you were served as a sophomore to testify, correct? The witness said, yes. The lawyer now asked again, on the 14th of June, you made a witness statement at the registry of this court, correct? The witness said, yes. Son now asked, Labour Party lawyer now asked, how can you identify the witness statement? The witness now said, if I go through it and I see my signature. The lawyer now asked again, son, Labour Party lawyer now asked, do you adopt this witness statement of oath? Objection. First, second, and third respondents, counsel said, we object to the admission of this witness statement for the reasons we conversed earlier so as not to waste time of the court. The drama began. In fact, it has been going back and forth on this matter. Let's still continue as the drama continues. Quick reminder, don't forget that the person who is doing all these proceedings, cross-examination right now, is actually a senior advocate of Nigeria, Onyechi Ikpezu. That's the one who delivered Dele case victory in Supreme Court. All of them are good. So we continue. He said, now Onyechi Ikpezu, senior advocate of Nigeria, still continued by saying, my lord, we adopt our witness response and only add the provisions of OR3 sub 3 of the FHC rules, which stated categorically that a witness under SOFANA must be served from 1A and is mandated to provide a witness statement. Shall I proceed, my lord? Don't forget, the drama is still going on. There seems to be noise rancor under at the background, and everybody's just watching, because eventually it's the court and the justices that will determine if they will proceed. Now, don't forget very quickly that we still have television we have not watched. There's video that's going to be played in no time, but they're still going through the cross-examination and they have a time frame. Don't also forget that there will also be a hearing where we are all expecting INEC Chairman Mahmood to be in court today in PDP. So today is bomber pack. Just keep time with us while they're going through the argument. Keep it there with us. We'll give you update as it's coming up. Let's go wrap up this particular episode. In the next 10 minutes max, we'll come again